Hi all. Today we will see how can we extract the mesh from our results file. So in HyperView we can extract the mesh, deformed and undeformed mesh from the results file itself. Suppose somehow we lost the input file, but we want to extract the mesh. How to do it? So suppose if I want to extract the undeformed mesh, just go to back here and then go to here, file, export, and just go to your solver deck. And here I will just go here and just type undeformed, and it will say whatever scaling I apply, uh, this will be ignored. So I'll just press OK, and then the undeformed mesh is exported. And if I want to export the deformed mesh, what I can go here is I can just go to the uh, suppose I want the 100% of the load. um, at 100% of the load, I want to uh, export the deformedness. So I can just go on here again and just go to solver deck and just deformed, and that's it. Now I just want to check in HyperMesh how to do it. So just try and go on here and this we have exported in text format. We go to all files here and then just go to undeformed one and import it. Then to again, if I want to import the deformed mesh also, and just go on here to all files, import. So I can also change the color also. So you can see I can export, I can import it in HyperMesh very easily.